Hey travelers, welcome back to Magnificent Destinations. Have you ever felt overwhelmed when planning your trip, or found yourself sitting in the airport realizing you forgot something crucial? Or perhaps you've arrived at your dream destination only to discover you missed out on key experiences because you didn't plan ahead? You are not alone. Travel planning made easy. Ultimate checklist for avid travelers. Checklist number 1. Budget tracker. Let's kick things off with budgeting, a crucial aspect of travel planning. Proper budgeting helps you allocate funds for every part of your trip and ensures you don't overspend. Our budget tracker includes transportation costs such as flights, airport transfers, and local transport. Accommodation costs cover hotels, hostels, or rentals. Budget for food, entertainment, and shopping. Don't forget health and safety expenses like insurance and medications. Communication costs, financial fees, and miscellaneous expenses such as tips and toiletries are also important. Lastly, consider local services, contingency funds, and preparation costs. Our comprehensive budget tracker ensures every aspect of your travel is financially covered. Checklist number 2. Documentation. Documentation is the foundation of your travel preparation. For international travel, your passport is your most important document. Ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Some countries won't let you in if it's close to expiring. If your passport is nearing its expiry, renew it well in advance to avoid any last-minute issues. Check if you need a visa for your destination. Many countries require visas, and the application process can take time, so apply early. Some countries offer visa on arrival, but it's always best to know beforehand. Don't forget travel insurance. It covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Make sure your policy fits your needs. Some countries even require proof of insurance for entry. Also, carry vaccination records if your destination requires them. For example, some tropical destinations might require proof of yellow fever vaccination. Check the requirements well ahead of time and make an appointment for any necessary shots. For local travel, documentation is simpler but still crucial. You might only need a government-issued ID, like a driver's license. However, having travel insurance is still recommended, especially if you're engaging in adventurous activities. Always carry copies of important documents. Store digital copies in a secure cloud service, and keep physical copies in a separate place from the originals. Checklist number 3. Financial preparation. Financial preparation is an area where a little foresight can save you a lot of trouble. For international travel, always carry some local currency for immediate expenses like transportation or snacks. Exchange rates at airports can be high, so exchange some money before you leave. Having a small amount of local currency can be a lifesaver when you first arrive. Inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid having your card blocked due to suspicious activity. Many banks allow you to set travel notifications online or through their apps. Having a backup source of funds is also very important. Keep a hidden stash of cash or a backup credit card in case of emergencies. Consider getting a travel-friendly credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. These cards can save you a lot on overseas purchases. For local travel, having some cash and your bank cards should suffice, but still inform your bank if you're traveling out of your usual area. Additionally, it's a good idea to have a mix of payment methods. Some smaller towns or remote areas may not accept cards, so cash is essential. For both local and international travel, make sure to keep receipts and monitor your bank statements for any unauthorized transactions. Checklist number 4. Itinerary planning. Itinerary planning is the backbone of a smooth trip. Whether you're traveling locally or internationally, having a well-thought-out itinerary can save you a lot of headaches. Book your flights early to secure the best rates and availability. Use tools like fare alerts to track prices. There are plenty of websites and apps that offer fare alerts, so sign up for a few to get the best deals. Reserve your accommodation in advance. Whether you prefer hotels, hostels, or vacation rentals, booking ahead ensures you get the best options. Look for places that offer free cancellation, so you have flexibility if your plans change. Plan your transportation. Will you rent a car, use public transport, or rely on ride shares? Knowing this in advance saves time and stress. If you're renting a car, book it ahead to avoid last-minute price hikes. Finally, research and book activities. Popular attractions often sell out, so buy tickets early to avoid disappointment. Look into city passes or attraction bundles that can save you money and time. Create a daily itinerary that includes your must-see sites, but leave some room for spontaneous adventures. For both local and international travel, always have a backup plan in case of bad weather or unexpected closures. Checklist number 5. Packing. Packing can be stressful, but with a plan, it doesn't have to be. Start with the right luggage. Choose based on your trip. Carry-on for short trips, checked bags for longer stays, or a backpack for adventures. Invest in quality luggage that can withstand the rigors of travel. Pack clothes appropriate for the weather and activities. Check the forecast and plan for layers if the weather is unpredictable. Don't forget travel-sized toiletries to comply with airline regulations. Pack chargers, adapters for international travel, and any necessary electronics. Bring a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. Always bring enough prescription medication for your trip, plus a few extra days, just in case. Keep medications in their original packaging and carry a copy of your prescription. For international travel, consider the electrical outlet requirements of your destination and pack the necessary adapters. If you're traveling to a country with different voltage, a voltage converter might be necessary for some electronics. For local travel, similar rules apply, but you might not need adapters or converters. Regardless of where you're going, pack a small first aid kit with basics like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Checklist number 6, health and safety. Health and safety are important. Prepare a list of emergency contacts, including local embassies, family members, and healthcare providers for international travel. Having these contacts readily available can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Research local health advisories and necessary vaccinations. Carry any required medications and a basic first aid kit. Familiarize yourself with the safety situation in your destination. Check travel advisories and read up on common scams or safety tips. For example, some cities might have high rates of pickpocketing, so take precautions. Consider enrolling in a travel safety program like STEP for U.S. citizens, which provides updates and helps the embassy contact you in emergencies. For local travel, similar principles apply. Know the emergency numbers of your destination and the location of the nearest hospital. Keep a basic first aid kit in your car if you're driving. Always inform someone of your travel plans and check in with them periodically. Whether you're traveling near or far, your safety should always be a top priority. Checklist number 7. Technology and apps. In today's world, technology and apps can be your best travel buddies. For international travel, install travel apps for maps, translation, currency conversion, and local transportation. Google Maps and Rome to Rio are excellent for navigation, while apps like Duolingo can help with language basics. Download maps, guides, and entertainment for offline use. This is crucial if you'll be without internet access. Ensure you have an affordable way to stay connected, like a local SIM card or an international roaming plan. Research your options before you leave. Some destinations offer affordable tourist SIM cards that come with data plans. For local travel, similar apps can help with navigation and finding points of interest. Apps like Road Trippers can help you discover hidden gems along your route. For both local and international travel, consider using a VPN to protect your online privacy. Public Wi-Fi networks can be insecure, so a VPN adds an extra layer of security. Keep a portable charger or power bank with you to ensure your devices stay powered throughout your journey. Technology can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable if you use it wisely. Checklist number 8. Miscellaneous. Finally, let's not forget the miscellaneous items that can enhance your travel experience. For both local and international travel, make copies of important documents, both physical and digital. This includes your passport, visa, travel insurance, and emergency contacts. Bring travel guides or download them to your device for easy access. Pack snacks and water for long journeys or situations where food options are limited. Don't forget comfort items like a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs for flights or long rides. These small things can make a big difference. For international travel, consider packing a phrasebook or translation app to help with language barriers. For local travel, bring a good book or some magazines to pass the time. Whether you're crossing the globe or exploring your own backyard, having a few comforts from home can make your trip more enjoyable. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. If you're traveling with kids, pack some activities to keep them entertained. A little preparation goes a long way in making your travel experience smooth and enjoyable. Checklist number 9. Pre-departure checklist. Before you leave, follow a pre-departure checklist to wrap up your preparations. Arrange for your mail to be stopped, organize pet care, and secure your home. Inform your neighbors of your travel plans and ask them to keep an eye on your property. Double-check all reservations and bookings to ensure there are no surprises. Start packing a few days in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Look up the weather forecast to make any necessary adjustments to your packing list. Make sure all your devices are fully charged and backed up. Set your out-of-office email and notify anyone who needs to know about your absence. Do a final walkthrough of your home to ensure everything is secure and unplug any unnecessary appliances. For international travel, confirm your flight details and arrival procedures. Know the customs regulations and what items are prohibited in your destination. For local travel, check your vehicle's condition if you're driving. Ensure you have a full tank of gas, check the tire pressure, and make sure your vehicle is road trip ready. Doing these last-minute checks can prevent any hiccups on the day of departure. And there you have it. With our ultimate travel checklist, you can ensure that every detail is covered, leaving you free to enjoy the excitement of your upcoming adventure. Whether you're traveling locally or internationally, this tool has you covered. Download this free ultimate checklist today using the link in the description and go on with your journey with confidence and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ultimate travel planning guide. Planning your next adventure just got easier, don't you think? Which part of the checklist do you find most helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel, Magnificent Destinations, for more exclusive travel tips and inspiration. Before you go, don't forget to check out some of our other videos. If you're looking for inspiration for your next trip, watch our video on the 25 best travel destinations in America. And if you're thinking about the future, our 10 top best places to retire in the US video is a must-see. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!